Hello, my friend, and welcome to another Halloween series. I'm using my own prompts for the Halloween journaling prompts. If you want to still join, you can use the hashtag, and I will link everything down below, and I can follow your work. This is the prompts, and it is still on the Google Drive, so you can find it there. And yeah, let's just go jump right in. And I'm using this small tin just to randomly pick a word that I want to use, and this one is eerie pictures. I'm grabbing my accordion and just choosing lots of images, and I'm just choosing images and stuff that I want to work on. I have some cute pictures. Some of these pictures are from a book. I will link everything down below. And I also bought a little kit with small little images, Halloween images. Now I'm just searching what I want to work with. So I grabbed my box and just started rummaging through it. I have this very old paper which has lots of teddy bears on it, and for some reason it looks very eerie to me, so I use that. I decided just to spread glue on the paper itself. I'm moving on to the next page, just trying to collage around that little flap. And I'm trying to pick up the pictures that I want to work with. I grabbed another image and just tore with my scissors at the top. I added this sticker tag that I had, and then I'm adding another picture. I'm gluing the little word. I just took this image and just glue it on the flap. And now I'm gluing on top of that the small little images. These little small images came from an Etsy shop, and I will link it down below as well. I'm grabbing a little sticker and more of the small images. I wanted to put that envelope that I've got, and I am just collaging around it a bit. I'm adding a label on top of that flap and at the side. And just another small image. And I'm continuing to collage that little envelope as well. And I grabbed my box again just to see what I want to add. So I'm quickly going through it. And I found this little sticker. And I'm adding it under the envelope. I'm continuing to collage the envelope, and I'm putting all the little images inside that envelope because I'm not going to use them anymore. And yeah, it's pretty much done. I really love how it turned out, these little eerie images and all the small images of Halloween. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!